Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on quick guide. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to buy crypto on your Trust Wallet account. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to buy crypto in your Trust Wallet account, first of all go to your Trust Wallet application, tap on there. Now enter your password in order to access your Trust Wallet account. Now you will be appeared with this screen on your mobile phone, that is the home screen of your Trust Wallet account. As you can see, several options such as send, receive, buy, or earn. Since we are going to buy crypto, so go ahead and tap on the third option that says buy. Now you can search for ETC since it is equivalent to crypto, so go ahead and search for ETC, and then you can see it is available in the second option, so go ahead and tap on ETC. Now you have to select your rate. So always remember, you have to select your rate from third party provider because it provides the best rate. So go ahead and tap on third party provider. Now you can select your best rate by yourself. For me it's MoonPay, so I'll click on MoonPay. You can click according to your convenience. Now tap on next. Tap on continue. Now it's almost done. You can check out with MoonPay by using your email. So go ahead and enter your email and then tap on continue. I'm not gonna do this in this video, but you can surely tap on your email and then tap on continue, and then you're all set to buy ETC from your Trust Wallet account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.